Text, LG TV.
How to access and troubleshoot Disney Plus on an LG Smart TV.
Image of two young men in front of a super large TV. On screen, under Trending Now, are icons, thumbnail logos, and home dashboard boxes.
It's easy to add Disney Plus to the list of your favorite apps on your LG TV. Please note that Disney Plus is supported on LG Smart TVs with WebOS 3.0 and above.
The animated shooting star Disney Plus logo.
If your TV uses an older version of WebOS, consider using a streaming device such as Roku or Fire Stick or other streaming devices.
Disney Plus sign-up page. Text, endless stories, now streaming.
Disney Plus is a premium app and requires a monthly subscription fee. For compatible LG Smart TVs, turn on the TV and make sure it is connected to the internet.
Logo, LG. Tagline, life's good. Wi-Fi connection box on screen.
Now press the home button on your LG remote control. For WebOS 6.0, select apps on the apps list heading.
Under app list on the home screen.
For WebOS 5.0 and below, select LG Content Store on the home tray.
A pink box labeled Content Store.
Click the search icon on the top right of the screen. Then enter Disney and click Search. When you see the Disney Plus app in the search results, click on it, then select Install.
Further information under Details on the install page.
When installing it, be sure to accept the user agreements. Some features may not work if these agreements have not been accepted.
Click Select All.
Note that for WebOS 5.0 and 6.0, LG account sign-in is required to install and update apps.
On the LG account page, click Sign In on TV.
If you do not have an LG account yet, you can create one through the LG Thin Q app on your mobile phone, or you can go to us.lgappstv.com on your PC browser. To sign in on WebOS 6.0, click the profile icon on the top right of the screen, then select Login.
On the My Apps menu.
For other WebOS versions, press Settings.
The Settings button on the LG remote control.
Then click on the vertical dots, then General, then Account Management, and select your login method on the screen.
Sign into your LG account page.
Once installed, press the Launch button to start Disney Plus.
The animated logo appears.
Log in with your credentials or sign up for a new Disney Plus account. When finished, you can select any movie you want to watch and start streaming. If Disney Plus is not showing or cannot be searched, verify the location setting.
On the Location menu.
Streaming content is viewable based on licenses contracted between owners and providers. If your TV's location settings are incorrect, some content may not be available. For WebOS 6.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings, then click on the vertical dots, then General, then System, then Location, then Country.
Click each successive menu.
Make sure it is set to USA and not others. For WebOS 5.0 and below, on your LG remote, press Settings, then click on the vertical dots, then General, then Location, then Country. Make sure it is set to USA and not others. Common problems or issues with the Disney Plus app usually fall within two categories: problems launching Disney Plus and problems with Disney Plus playback. Let's go over both. For problems launching Disney Plus, or in any situation where the internet is involved, resetting your network should be the first step you take.
Check the Wi-Fi connection menu.
To do this, unplug your modem, router, and TV. Then plug them back in the same order: modem first, router second, TV third. Then verify that you're connected to the internet. Disney Plus is supported on LG TVs with WebOS 3.0 and above.
On the Software Update menu, find the current software version.
Issues can arise if the app has been updated, but the TV's firmware has not. For WebOS 3.0 through 4.5, go to TV Settings, click the vertical dots, then General.
The vertical dots is the icon for all settings on the right side of the screen.
Scroll down to About This TV and check for updates. If an update is available, click Download and Install. Then click Allow Automatic Updates. For WebOS 5.0 and higher, go to TV Settings.
Under App List on the home screen,
Click the vertical dots, then Support, and then Software Update.
click on the successive menus.
Sometimes files or caches can become corrupt. Deleting the app will remove those files. On the TV menu, scroll to the Edit App List icon. An Edit Mode window will appear.
On the Edit App List page,
Then click the trash bin icon above the app and click Yes to remove it. Once the Disney Plus app has been deleted, go to the LG Content Store to install it again. In the Content Store, enter Disney Plus in the search bar. Click on Disney Plus in the results, and click on Install. You will see the Disney Plus tab appear in the launcher. Make sure you've accepted all user agreements.
click Select All on the User Agreements page.
Note that not all features will work if these agreements are not accepted. For WebOS 3.0 through 4.5, click the vertical dots, then General, then About This TV, and then User Agreements.
The vertical dots icon for Advanced on the right side of the screen.
For WebOS 5.0 and higher, go to TV Settings, click the vertical dots, then Support, then Privacy and Terms, and then User Agreements. If none of these steps help, then the last step you can try is to factory reset the TV. For WebOS 3.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings, then General, then Reset to Initial Settings.
Click on the successive menus.
For WebOS 5.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings, then click on the vertical dots, then General, then Reset to Initial Settings. For WebOS 6.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings, then click on the vertical dots, then General, then System, then Reset to Initial Settings. Disney Plus requires specific internet speeds to play content properly. If Disney Plus is routinely experiencing buffering or lagging at the start of videos, verify your internet connection speed with a speed test.
The speed test is found on a page with a fast icon.
High definition, or HD, requires 5 megabits per second, and 4K Ultra HD, or UHD, needs 25 megabits per second. If your internet speed test is not showing the results, check your network as described earlier in this video. If your connection is slower than you expect, please contact your internet service provider for help. Note that the following conditions can affect streaming quality, even with a strong internet connection: the distance between your TV and a Wi-Fi router, the number of devices connected to your Wi-Fi network, or an outage or network issue with your internet provider. You can learn more about troubleshooting Disney Plus, including diagnosing and resolving Disney Plus error codes, by visiting the Disney Plus Help Center at disneyplus.com. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text LG.com/support.